In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to change the battery in your Nissan Murano key fob. The process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only two things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver, whatever you have lying around, and one CR2025 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries, you're not sure where to find one, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries, particular batteries that work with this device for just a few dollars. The first step here, super easy, just take your flathead and come down to the opening right where the key ring is. You can see this opening right here. We're just going to put the flathead in there and give it a twist, and that will open up the key fob. You could also do this with a coin. It's probably easier even with a coin. Just stick it in there and give it a twist. But the the screwdriver will help us in a moment. So once you open this thing up, you can just set that down, come over here to work on the battery. And you want to come in up in the corner here, one of these two corners with the flathead, and just get the corner of the flathead down to the bottom and pry the battery up. See how easy that was. It comes right out. You can now dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2025 battery, and when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text is facing down. So you'll just simply push it down into place. It'll sit right in there nicely, and you can then put these two pieces back together. Just give it a squeeze, and just like that, you have a new battery in. You are good to go. Probably saved a bunch of money. If you brought this thing to the dealership, they would charge you a ton just to swap out the battery. So always try to change your battery at home first before you see, maybe there could be something else wrong with your key fob, but you can most of the time just swap out the battery yourself. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or you can just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for most of the makes and models out there. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.